Next, let's talk about jargon. Jargon is usually the types of words and phrases that we use with our peers, our work peers. And, um, and that's fine when you're giving a presentation with your work peers. They will understand the jargon and you can use it. It's not going to be a problem. But if you're not talking with your peers, this is going to create a problem because people will simply not understand the words that are using. So let's use an example. Let's say you're a nutritionist and you're giving a presentation to other nutritionists or dietitians. So it's okay to use that work jargon that you use in your everyday language with people you're speaking to at work because they will understand it. But if you're a nutritionist and you're giving a presentation to members of the public, you need to avoid that jargon because 9 times out of 10, they're not going to understand it. So you're going to want to use simpler words to help them understand what you're talking about because you don't want them to stop and in the middle of what you're saying and think, well, what do, does she mean by that? And then you've lost them because you've gone on to talk about something else. So keep your words and phrases simple when you're speaking to an audience that doesn't understand your technical jargon.